So I am proficient in Maya, but I'm still learning Blender. And one difference that has kind of haunted me in Blender is the keypad shortcut for scale, rotate, and translate. So the transformations have similar keys. In Blender, it's G, R, or S, and in Maya, it's W, R, or S. W being translate and G being translate for Blender. But if I do, for example, select S on my keypad right now, I go into this like free scale situation. And of course, I can slow it down by holding down Shift and get it more precise. Or I can select the axis that I want to scale in, like X on my keyboard. And then it only scales in that axis. So it's cool, but it's not what I want. I want those gizmos back so I can move it very precisely like this. It's what I'm used to. How do you do it? Well, there's a quick way to do it. All you have to do is create that shortcut on your keypad yourself. So say I want it to be just like Maya because that's what I'm used to. I go to Move, and I'm in object mode right now, but I think you could do it in either mode. Go to the Move tool first, right click, and then go down to Assign Shortcut. And now you just press the shortcut that you want it to be. So I want it to be W like Maya so that I can just do it the way I'm used to. And then for rotate, I'm going to do the same thing. Right click, Assign Shortcut, R. And these are the gizmos, mind you. So that's what I want now. And then same thing with scale, Assign Shortcut, S. Now, if I go into my viewport here, if I click S, I'm getting the gizmo that I love so dearly. So now I can scale up the way I'm used to. So nice. And it's good because I can work fast like in Maya. So I find this helpful. Of course, you can assign whatever keys you want, however you want. If you like their system, you can keep their keys and give these your own keys. But my hands are so used to doing it the Maya way. Honestly, I just want it like this. So I hope this helped you guys. It was hard for me to even look up how to do this because I didn't know how to word it. So I hope that you found what you were looking for. And side note, if you don't like this shortcut and want to get rid of it, it's as easy as just right-clicking back on that tool and going to Remove Shortcut, and then it won't have it anymore. So just know nothing you do is permanent. You can kind of mess around and see what you like.